Take a ride in the 2008 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, AM/FM stereo with in-dash 6-disc CD changer, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, passenger vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.